If you're considering or currently taking Ajovy for migraines, understanding the potential side effects is crucial. Ajovy is an FDA-approved prescription medication that can provide relief for those suffering from chronic migraines. However, like any medication, it does come with potential side effects that you should be aware of. In this video, we will explore the possible side effects of Ajovy and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision regarding your treatment. From common side effects such as injection site reactions to less common but more severe side effects, we will cover it all. It's important to note that everyone may react differently to medications, and the information provided here is not meant to replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions about the potential side effects of Ajovy. By understanding the potential side effects of Ajovy, you can have a better understanding of the risks and benefits associated with this medication. So, let's dive in and learn what you need to know. Common side effects of Ajovy. Ajovy, like any medication, can cause common side effects in some individuals. These side effects are usually mild and may include injection site reactions. The most common side effect of Ajovy is a reaction at the injection site, such as redness, swelling, or itching. These reactions are usually temporary and resolve on their own within a few days. Headache. Ironically, one of the potential side effects of Ajovy is a headache. This can occur in some individuals after starting the medication, but it typically resolves within a short period of time. If the headache persists or worsens, it's important to consult your healthcare provider. Fatigue. Some individuals may experience increased fatigue or tiredness while taking Ajovy. This side effect is generally mild and temporary, but if it becomes bothersome, it's worth discussing with your doctor. It's important to keep in mind that not everyone will experience these common side effects. Some individuals may have no side effects at all, while others may have different reactions. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions about the side effects of Ajovy. Serious side effects of Ajovy. While less common, Ajovy can also cause more serious side effects in some individuals. It's important to be aware of these potential risks and to seek medical attention if you experience any of the following. Allergic reactions. In rare cases, individuals may have an allergic reaction to Ajovy. Signs of an allergic reaction may include difficulty breathing, hives, or swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat. If you experience these symptoms after taking Ajovy, seek immediate medical attention. High blood pressure. Ajovy can increase blood pressure in some individuals. If you already have high blood pressure or are at risk for developing it, it's important to monitor your blood pressure regularly while taking Ajovy. If you experience severe or persistent high blood pressure, consult your healthcare provider. Kidney problems. In rare cases, Ajovy has been associated with kidney problems, including kidney failure. If you experience symptoms such as decreased urine output, swelling in the feet or ankles, or difficulty urinating, seek medical attention immediately. Remember, these serious side effects are rare, but it's important to be aware of them and seek medical attention if necessary. Your healthcare provider can help determine if the benefits of taking Ajovy outweigh the potential risks. Precautions and warnings for using Ajovy. Before starting Ajovy, it's important to discuss your medical history and any current medications with your healthcare provider. Certain precautions and warnings should be considered, including pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to discuss the potential risks and benefits of taking Ajovy with your healthcare provider. The safety of Ajovy during pregnancy and breastfeeding has not been established, and it's recommended to avoid using it during these periods unless the potential benefits outweigh the risks. Drug interactions. Ajovy may interact with other medications you are taking, potentially leading to adverse effects. It's important to provide your healthcare provider with a complete list of all medications, including over-the-counter drugs and supplements, before starting Ajovy. Liver or kidney problems. If you have a history of liver or kidney problems, it's important to inform your healthcare provider. Ajovy may require dosage adjustments or may not be suitable for individuals with certain liver or kidney conditions. Always follow the guidance and recommendations of your healthcare provider when using Ajovy. They can help determine if Ajovy is the right choice for you and monitor for any potential complications. How to manage and minimize side effects. If you experience side effects while taking Ajovy, there are steps you can take to manage and minimize their impact. Here are some strategies to consider. Injection site reactions. To minimize injection site reactions, ensure proper injection technique and follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider. Applying a cold compress to the injection site before and after the injection may help reduce redness and swelling. Headache. If you experience a headache after starting Ajovy, it may be temporary and resolve on its own. Over-the-counter pain relievers may help alleviate the discomfort. However, if the headache persists or worsens, consult your healthcare provider for further guidance. Fatigue. If you find yourself feeling more fatigued while taking Ajovy, try getting enough rest and practicing good sleep hygiene. Engaging in regular physical activity and maintaining a balanced diet can also contribute to increased energy levels. Remember, everyone may respond differently to medication, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to communicate any side effects you experience with your healthcare provider, as they can provide personalized recommendations to help manage and minimize them. When to seek medical help for Ajovy side effects. While most side effects of Ajovy are mild and resolve on their own, there are certain situations when you should seek medical help. These include allergic reactions. If you experience signs of an allergic reaction, such as difficulty breathing, hives, or swelling, seek immediate medical attention. Severe or persistent side effects. If you experience severe or persistent side effects that are interfering with your daily life or causing significant discomfort, consult your healthcare provider for further evaluation and guidance. New or worsening symptoms. If you notice new or worsening symptoms that may be related to Ajovy, such as high blood pressure, kidney problems, or any other concerning changes, it's important to seek medical help for proper evaluation and management. Remember, your healthcare provider is the best resource for assessing and addressing any concerns or questions you may have about the side effects of Ajovy. It's always better to err on the side of caution and seek medical help when needed. Alternative treatments for migraines. If you're concerned about the potential side effects of Ajovy or are looking for alternative treatments for migraines, there are other options to consider. Here are a few alternative treatments that may be effective for some individuals. Lifestyle modifications. Making certain lifestyle changes can help reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. These may include managing stress, getting regular exercise, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, and avoiding triggers such as certain foods or environmental factors. Non-prescription medications. Over-the-counter pain relievers, such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen, may provide relief for mild to moderate migraines. However, it's important to use these medications as directed and consult with your healthcare provider if migraines persist or worsen. Prescription medications. There are several other prescription medications available for migraine prevention and treatment. Your healthcare provider can help determine which medication may be most suitable for you based on your medical history, symptoms, and preferences. It's important to remember that what works for one person may not work for another. Finding the right treatment for migraines often involves a trial and error process, and it may take time to find the most effective approach for you. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of action for your individual needs. Ajovy and pregnancy, breastfeeding considerations. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to discuss the use of Ajovy with your healthcare provider. The safety of Ajovy during pregnancy and breastfeeding has not been established, and it's generally recommended to avoid using it unless the potential benefits outweigh the risks. There is limited data available on the use of Ajovy during pregnancy, and animal studies have shown potential risks to the fetus. If you are planning to become pregnant or suspect you may be pregnant while taking Ajovy, inform your healthcare provider immediately for further evaluation and guidance. Similarly, the safety of Ajovy during breastfeeding is unknown. It's recommended to avoid using Ajovy while breastfeeding to minimize potential risks to the infant. Consult with your healthcare provider for alternative treatment options if you are breastfeeding. Frequently asked questions about Ajovy side effects. Can Ajovy cause weight gain? There is no evidence to suggest that Ajovy directly causes weight gain. However, individual responses to medications can vary, and some individuals may experience weight changes as a side effect. If you notice any significant changes in weight while taking Ajovy, consult with your healthcare provider. How long do the side effects of Ajovy last? The duration of side effects can vary depending on the individual and the specific side effect experienced. In general, most side effects of Ajovy, such as injection site reactions or headaches, are temporary and resolve within a short period of time. If you have concerns about the duration of side effects, discuss them with your healthcare provider. Can I stop taking Ajovy if I experience side effects? If you experience side effects while taking Ajovy, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before discontinuing the medication. They can evaluate your specific situation and provide guidance on whether to continue or discontinue Ajovy. Abruptly stopping medication without medical advice can have unintended consequences. Are the side effects of Ajovy worth the potential benefits? The decision to use Ajovy should be made in consultation with your healthcare provider, weighing the potential benefits against the potential risks and side effects. For individuals suffering from chronic migraines who have not found relief with other treatments, the potential benefits of Ajovy may outweigh the risks. It's important to have an open and honest discussion with your healthcare provider to make an informed decision. Conclusion: weighing the benefits and risks of Ajovy. Ajovy can be an effective medication for individuals suffering from chronic migraines, providing relief and improving quality of life. However, like any medication, it's important to be aware of the potential side effects and risks associated with its use. In this video, we explored the common and serious side effects of Ajovy, precautions and warnings for its use, strategies for managing and minimizing side effects, when to seek medical help, and alternative treatment options. We also discussed considerations for pregnancy and breastfeeding, as well as answered frequently asked questions about Ajovy side effects. Remember, everyone may respond differently to medications, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to have open and honest communication with your healthcare provider, follow their guidance, and report any concerns or questions you may have. By understanding the potential side effects of Ajovy and weighing the benefits and risks, you can make an informed decision about your treatment options and work towards finding relief from chronic migraines. Thanks for watching.